Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of 3D Design, brought to you by the Corona Public Library's Maker Exchange. My name is Mr. Martin, and today we've got a quick and easy video showing you just what it looks like to actually make a 3D print. Enjoy! That's it. That's all it takes, just a design and some nice handiwork by that 3D printer. We hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you've enjoyed this content, please be sure to check out the rest of our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.